Okay.
37 tomorrow.
Braden Tyler.
That's all right. Yeah.
There's Braden Tyler.
There's Mama with little Braden. Hey,
Can't
buddy.
be done, huh?
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Sweetness.
Yesterday she had on
Look
this
at the
shirt.
little boy.
And this much of her belly was hanging
He's
out.
got Dad's nose.
She can't keep her pants up.
Mom's chin.
That's the
Sweetie.
problem.
You ready to sing that Mom Papa? Huh?
Look
Oh,
at you.
So awake,
Yeah,
Mama.
He was
What's
ready.
his name?
Braden.
Braden.
Look at my little buddy.
Hi,
Yes,
cutie
you're
pie.
cute.
Hi.
You be Dad's little buddy? No?
Yeah.
You want to try while he's
Here's
showing
Nell.
you some cues? Or you really want to wait? You want to wait for them to walk
They're
through?
coming.
2 o'clock now. He was born about
I
a
do
half an
wanna
hour
try.
ago.
Are they coming through the door? You already called them, or?
Yeah, I already called him to come in.
Okay.
They just want to see him. They'll go right. They just want to see him.
That's fine. He's gorgeous.
We want him to learn how to breastfeed before he doesn't want to do it anymore.
That's right before he goes to sleep.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
It's so exciting.
Baby. Hi, sweet Braden. Hi. Are you ready to suck? Can you show me? Show me.
He's been doing his mouth. He's been doing his mouth like,
He is.
you know.
He is. Hey, what do you think?
There's Mom.
That's a boy. Oh, he's biting down good. Oh my God. You gonna suck? Saying, get that thing out of my mouth. Get that thing out of my mouth. Hi.
There's
Hi.
Mom.
That's a good boy.
Little Braden.